No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please. No, please.
You're under arrest.
No, why?
Well, because you were given an opportunity to go home. There was no point.
I understand that, but please.
On the night of July 4th, 2026, in Florida, a patrol officer stopped a vehicle after observing lane violations and a curb strike. 2 women were inside, both school principals, both intoxicated. What followed is a clean study in how DUI law actually operates.
Hey, good evening.
Hi.
Hey, do you happen to have your driver's license and registration on you?
I don't have my license, but I have a copy of it.
Don't have your license, but you have a copy?
Yeah. I
Okay.
have it on my phone.
Where's your listening?
Yeah, mine.
Ladies having a good 4th, or I guess it's the 5th now. Huh?
Yes. Can you get my license? This is my car. This is my car.
Your car?
Yes, this is my
Okay.
car. My friend is good. She's getting me home.
Okay. Well, she's driving, so we gotta have her license.
I know.
Stop.
I know. Where's your...
I need my license.
I'm going.
Stop.
You still looking for it? What's your first name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer?
We're both principals.
Stop.
I'm...
Oh, you have a picture of it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
I don't have my purse with me.
Okay. I'll write it down. And you said it's your car, correct?
Yes,
Her
my
car.
Okay, that's fine. No problem. And where are you ladies coming from tonight?
What's it?
I'm on the one in house.
Or going home. Like we're like 2 seconds away from the house.
Yeah, but I said I asked where you were coming from.
July, my kids, and then
Okay, that's fine. Just curious.
went to eat, and then we're heading home.
All right. Miss Jennifer, you consumed any alcohol today? Because I can smell it, which...
Yes, I have.
Okay. Are you mind stepping back here so I can talk to you?
May I put my shoe on? Sorry.
Yeah, that's fine. Are you related to her or anything?
I'm my best friend.
Why right over here. Oh, be careful. Why is she speaking for you? Whoop,
She's
let's
worried
not
for
fall.
me.
Here, let's go right where the light is. Yep, just right there. Okay, say that again.
She's worried about me
Okay, why is she worried about you?
because we are both high up, and we are both high in the totem pole of education and
Okay,
our workforce. So it's hard, and we're both married to police officers. So
okay. Well, my wife's married to a police officer too, and I'm.
just get home, and
Is she currently married to one, or does she have an ex?
both of us we just recently divorced.
So
we're
not
trying to
currently
get her
with-
home, and
Okay.
I thought she was going to be the DV, but it didn't happen, and so I'm just trying to get a quarter of the way home.
Okay.
I
Okay.
just moved. We just got divorced, and I just moved.
Sorry to
over.
hear that.
I don't know. You should be thankful for me.
Well,
Lie.
I don't know about the personal stuff, but just
I know,
to
I'm
be
just
clear,
kidding.
the reason why we're here is because you guys are over by Mini. Do you know the area?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're over by Minnehaha,
Mm-hmm.
and what would that be? East Avenue.
Yeah.
You know where that is?
Yes.
Okay, you guys were at the light. When you're coming down Minnehaha, you're all over the road.
Okay.
And to the point, even when you come around this corner, you're in that travel lane.
Okay.
So
I'm
then,
not sure about it, but okay. I trust
What's that?
you. I believe you. I don't know, but I believe you. Okay.
do you remember hitting the curb over there by like Morning Drive?
No, I do not.
Okay. So that's why I'm here. And then I go up, I talk to you. I notice you have like very slow delay reactions. I could smell the alcohol.
Absolutely.
You even have like slow blink, your orbital sway, like I
Trust me,
said
know
when you
it
see it.
all.
Huh?
Yeah. I know it all. I've been there 20 years with my husband.
Okay. So I'm just
So I understand.
explaining to you why
Yeah,
I got you out of the
I got
car.
you.
it's not every day that I usually have a passenger do more talking than the driver does. So
She's worried about me.
I'm worried. I'm worried too. That's why I'm here.
Because I'm a good person and she doesn't want me to be.
So Jennifer, I never said you were a bad person.
No. It's not about that. It's just
All right.
she's worried about my future.
Okay.
I get it.
Well, since we're in this position with you, having operating control of the motor vehicle,
Yes.
what I'm going to ask of you is if you would like to perform field sobriety exercises to dispel my concern
I
that
can't
you
do that.
can't do it.
Remember, my ex was.
Your ex is
police
irrelevant.
officer, so
He's not in the car with you.
I get that, but
So I'm asking you because you're an adult.
No, I can't.
So do you want me to repeat it or do you understand what I said?
I'm sorry. Repeat it if you want.
Okay. So what I'm asking or requesting of you is that you perform field sobriety exercises to dispel my concern that you're able to safely operate. Okay, so you don't want me to explain it?
No.
Okay. You sure you don't let me explain it?
I mean, you can explain if you want to, sure.
Well, I keep trying, you keep interrupting. So I don't want you to be confused.
I don't
If you understand, you understand. I don't have to go. I'm just trying to.
You can.
So you do want me to explain it?
Yes, please.
Okay. The reason I'm asking that is because I would like you to perform field sobriety exercises to dispel my concern that you are able to safely operate that vehicle.
I should.
So I know you've given me an answer, but with me saying that, do you not want to perform field sobriety exercises or do
No.
you? Okay. And you understand the recourse from that,
Yes.
what takes place with that.
I think so. You could expand on that if you
I will.
If you
So what
mind.
that means is that I'm going to take the information gathered from your driving pattern and the roadside that I made with you, roadside contact,
Yes.
and make a determination on what I'm going to do next. So when I ask, that's, and you say you don't want to dispel my concerns, that's okay, that's your right. But then I'm telling you I have to take based off what I have and make a determination. Does that make sense?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Can I speak to you solely without another party or not?
Well, it was you and me here before she got here.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm asking.
So, do you want to perform the field sobriety exercises?
Can I speak to you solely without her? It's not about.
After you
sobriety.
answer my questions.
Okay.
So, do you want to perform the exercise?
No,
okay.
no.
And you do understand the adverse consequences. Okay.
I
All right.
guess. I'm
So,
not sure.
go ahead and put your hands behind your back.
You gotta go.
Yeah.
Is she yelling for them?
Nah, she's whining.
Hey, stay in the car.
I know. We're good.
Okay, stay in the car.
Come on. We're like 2 seconds from home.
Okay, cool.
We're both school principals. We're like, come on, don't do this to us.
Do what? I'm standing here.
I know, like, we're not doing anything wrong. She's taking care of me.
Okay, I didn't say y'all did anything wrong. I'm just
We're
standing here.
not.
So all I did was tell you not to get out of the car.
Okay.
That's it.
Alright.
All right. So she is gonna be arrested.
No, she's not.
That's
Why?
That's what that officer came to the
What
conclusion.
happened? Why?
He came to that conclusion. She was
Why?
driving intoxicated.
No, why?
Okay.
Come on.
So
Like, we're 2 principals of 2 charter
26.
schools. Please don't do this to our careers.
okay, so that's
Please
not
don't.
okay.
Please don't.
That's not to me. What's
Please.
already done is it's done. Okay,
Please
it's done.
Don't.
It's done.
Please don't.
So can you call someone to give you a ride?
I will, but please don't
Okay,
do that to me.
Okay, call someone to give you a ride.
But come on,
Call-
please
call
don't.
someone to come
Why?
pick you
what
up.
What happened?
Call someone to come
What
pick you up because
happened?
obviously you're not in a good state to drive,
I understand.
and
like,
it would be
I
a danger
don't-
to yourself and other people out on the road.
I understand, but like, I don't want that to happen. No.
Okay, so it's already done. It's already
Why?
done. She's already
Why?
placed under arrest. She's
Why?
already
no,
determined to be
please don't.
DUI.
Please don't.
It's done. It's done.
Why?
It's done. There is
Come on,
there's no
please,
negotiating.
Please, I'm begging you.
There-
Like, we work for a really
Okay, that's cool.
honorable. Listen
Okay,
to
well,
me.
no. You gotta listen to me.
I-
All right? No.
Look, I'm not-
You're
I'm
listening
not-
to me.
Stop,
Get
listen.
a fucking
will.
ride here right
I
now.
will.
We're done.
I will. I
We're
will.
done.
I will. I
It's
will.
already said and done.
I will.
Get a ride.
I will. I
Get a
will.
ride.
I will. Please. Like, please, we're not. We legit, like, we
Okay.
literally live to serve the community.
Like,
that's
we're
cool.
not fucking trying to be nothing. We're trying to make her home safely. Please, she's not a bad person. She's a super good person.
Okay,
please.
so it's already done.
No.
It's already done. The
please.
officer already made that arrest.
No.
It's already done. We're saying please get you nowhere. It's done.
Please. So what do I do to help her?
There's nothing you can do right now.
Why?
She's already under arrest in the back of a cop car. It's over.
Please.
The right thing to do, the right thing to do would have been to get a ride home instead of having her drive.
I will.
Because now that
I would have done that.
Okay.
I would have done that, but she was trying to take care of me. Please.
Nope.
Are you hollering?
Yeah. Can I calm her down, please?
No.
I beg you, take me instead.
Why? There's no reason to take you.
Yes, please. Can you please take me
Hey,
instead?
I'm just going to turn this off right now.
No, can you please? We are two school
this is her phone. She wants her phone.
I know. Listen to me, please.
Okay, I'm listening.
Listen to me. We're two school principals. We fucking live our lives for other people.
Okay.
Please, don't do this.
So,
please, take me instead.
Hey,
please.
Christina, right?
Yes. Listen
Christina,
to me.
hey.
Listen to me.
I want you to listen to me real quick.
To me. We work for
Hey,
charter schools.
you mentioned that. I'm going to tell you something.
Come on.
Jennifer already made a decision. She wants her phone. I'm going to take it with her. You can call.
Sir.
Listen, you can call for Uber or a ride.
I will.
Okay, go
Sir,
ahead and work
please.
on that.
All right. Does your Uber say it's here?
Yeah.
It does? Okay. So, what do you want us to do with your vehicle?
So we're ready in my car.
So,
You could leave it in Colonial.
do you want us to put it over there?
I could put it over there. You could put it over there. Whatever you want.
No, we can't have you drive over there. That's the thing. So, you want us to go move this in that parking lot right there?
Yes, please.
Are you good with that? Like 100%. Are you 100% sure that because this is your vehicle, I'm not going to do what you want?
I'm 100% sure you can put it over there.
Okay.
Can we stay out of the road? Here. The Uber's over here. If you want to go sit down, and he'll bring you your key, okay?
She's a school principal, bro. She's a principal to Mary. She's a good person. She was trying to get me home safely. I understand.
I hear you, but
I understand. I'm not her.
we have a job to do, okay?
I understand.
It is what it is for now. Like, this conversation isn't good for you. If you wanted to talk about this with somebody, like, when you're a little more sober, like, sure, but this isn't a good time for you either, okay?
Okay.
But we helped you out. We didn't tow the car. Helped you get to the Uber. He's right here, and he's waiting on you. You got your key back, right?
Okay. So how do I get my friend back?
So she has to go through our process.
Does she have a phone? Does she have anything?
Yeah, she'll have access to her phone. She can get phone numbers out of it. She'll be able to call you or whoever she needs to, okay? She has a process. It's not crazy. Like, she's not going to not have a phone. But you just got to be patient and wait, okay? It's going to be a little bit. All right? But I think he's waiting on you all, okay?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Guys.
That boy looks like Christine's gonna grab it. Hey, turn off the car. Why are you driving? Worried?
Transfer her to Lake to Mary's. So I'm just gonna go and wait.
Okay, well, we're in a different area now because you're driving and you shouldn't be driving.
I understand that. She lives right there. I was at her house, and then I called, and they told me that she was right there at the South Lake place, the South Lake whatever. And they told me I needed $2,000 to bond her out. So I went to the ATM, but my ATM card doesn't work. So then now I'm like stuck. So I don't know what to do because she can't get out till 10:30. So then I'm gonna go back to her house right now. That's what I was doing. Like, I'm not meaning to do anything wrong. I'm way better.
I just talked to you. You were really drunk when I talked to you.
I know.
It's
but
a couple hours later.
I understand. I'm really not. I promise you I'm not. I'm just really worried about my friend and she called me.
Well, look, I can still smell it, so
I know.
Are you able to do field sobriety exercises for me?
It's fine. Like,
Okay.
I don't want to go to jail either.
I know,
Like,
go ahead and sit down for me, okay? We're just gonna come to the sidewalk. Or this way. All right, got a couple of questions before we get started, okay?
Yeah.
All right, are you sick or injured?
No.
Are you diabetic?
No.
You take insulin?
No.
You're under the care of a doctor? Do you have seizures?
No.
I'm gonna go on this side because of the flashing lights. Christine, can you face me? All right, what's your question?
What would you do if you're a person?
Not drive.
I understand that. But I don't know what to do.
What was your question about your options?
I don't want to. I want to be able to wake up in the morning and go get her and be okay. And her be okay. And I be okay. We're both school principals. We're not bad people.
Okay.
The freaking cop was ruthless. I don't know what she said. I don't know what she did. She had a freaking abusive husband that was a cop. So she has PTSD.
We're getting sidetracked, okay?
I
so
understand.
as far as what we
she
have
probably
now,
gave him attitude. I'm not going to say she didn't, but...
Not relevant, okay? So what we have now, right?
I know.
You understand where we're at?
Yes,
you said
I do.
you're willing to do field sobriety exercises? You still willing to do those?
I feel way better than it was before when you sent me home. I understand that. And I did go home. I was in the parking lot for 2 hours. And then I called and they told me she was at South Lake. So like, they told me she was right there. So I tried to pay the $2,000. They don't take it right now.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises or not?
What are my options?
So your options are you could do field sobriety exercises, and if you say you're better, that gives you the opportunity to dispel my concerns that you're not operating the vehicle while you're intoxicated, okay? If you don't want to do those, that can be used against you in court, your refusal to participate, and I have to make a determination based on what I have so far, which I just talked to you.
I know.
You were really drunk, and you're already driving me again.
I know.
You see what I'm saying?
That was a while ago. I get it.
Yeah.
I understand.
So you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
That's fine. I'm not sure what's better for me. Like, I don't know.
Your choice.
At this point, like, I would trade for her in a second. So it's good.
I got you. I gave you your options. You can do them or not. Up to you. Okay. So what I have you do is put your feet together. Put your hands down by your sides. And stay like this. This is, I'm going to check your eyes. So follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Okay? Don't move your head and stay in that position while I do the exercise. You understand so far? Mm-hmm. Okay. You wear contacts?
No.
Keep your head still, okay? Okay. So the next thing I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you come over to this line. It's not the most flat here, but is this flat enough you feel okay to walk? Alright, so I'm going to have you do, put your left foot, are you comfortable in those shoes? Do you have other shoes in the car, or would you rather be barefoot? It's whatever you're more comfortable with. Alright, so put your left foot on that line. Put your right heel, touching your left toe on that line. Put your arms down by your sides. Don't start yet. Put your arms down by your sides like this.
I'm terrible at balancing like on a normal day, so it's like this.
Okay. But so in that position, can you remain like that while I explain the rest of the instructions? Do you understand so far? All right. So what I have you do is from that position, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on this line in front of you. Okay. It's a continuous exercise. Don't stop once you start. Count your steps out loud. When you get to the end, you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around, which I'm going to demonstrate, and then you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Feet together, or like right there. Sorry, not like right up on me. So right there. Stand like there, feet together while I explain the rest of the instructions. You understand so far? Put your feet together.
I have fat thighs, so like it's hard.
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick whichever foot you want, and you're going to lift it about 6 inches off the ground. Keep your foot parallel to the ground, about the height of a Coke can. With your arms by your sides, looking down at your toe, you're going to count out loud like this. Don't start yet. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1000. All right.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I'm out of shape. 32, 33, 34, 35.
All right, you can stop.
36.
All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back, okay?
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, please.
You're under arrest.
No, why?
Well, because you were given an opportunity to go home. You got a ride.
Come on, please.
Listen. And then you made the choice to then go get the car that you were told to leave in the parking lot and drink impaired.
The stop is constitutionally grounded. Under the Fourth Amendment, a traffic stop requires only reasonable, articulable suspicion of a violation, as established in Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968. Ordering the driver out was authorized under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 434 U.S. 106, 1977, which holds that this order requires no additional justification beyond a lawful stop. At the roadside, the officer documented odor of alcohol, slowed reactions, orbital sway, and slow blink response. Jennifer confirmed she had been drinking. Each observation independently contributes to a probable cause determination. Florida Statute Section 3, 16.193, defines DUI as operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol to the extent that normal faculties are impaired. Observed impairment alone is sufficient. Field sobriety exercises are voluntary under Florida law. The officer correctly advised Jennifer that refusing them meant he would proceed on observations already documented, and that the refusal itself could be used against her in court. NHTS. A standardized field sobriety tests are observation instruments, not pass-fail evaluations. The horizontal gaze, nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand measure specific impairment clues. The officer's trained evaluation determines the outcome, not the subject's self-assessment. Jennifer declined the exercises. Florida courts consistently hold that DUI convictions can rest entirely on officer observations, without any chemical test result. The totality of observations here was more than sufficient for a lawful arrest. Both women repeatedly invoked professional status and former connections to law enforcement. The officer declined every appeal. The 14th Amendment's Equal Protection Clause requires uniform application of the law, regardless of a subject's profession or social standing. Invoking credentials at a DUI stop is a request for selective non-enforcement of constitutional law. A competent officer will not comply. This officer did not, across two separate encounters spanning nearly 30 minutes. About 2 hours later, the same officer stopped Christina behind the wheel of the same vehicle. Under Terry v. Ohio, the stop was lawful. The officer had direct, recent, personal knowledge that Christina had been intoxicated. Rather than arresting immediately, the officer offered Christina field sobriety exercises. This was not legally required. It was professional discretion that gave her a genuine opportunity to demonstrate she had sobered up. After the arrest, the officer administered the implied consent advisory under Florida Statute Section 3, 16.1932. Any licensed Florida driver has already consented, by accepting that license, to a chemical test upon a lawful DUI arrest. Christina asked for a lawyer before taking the breath test. The officer correctly explained that Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966, applies to custodial interrogation. An implied consent breath test request is not interrogation. No right to counsel attaches. Refusing the breath test under Florida statute, Section 316.1932, carries 3 automatic consequences: a 1-year license suspension, a second-degree misdemeanor charge, and the refusal is admissible as evidence in the DUI case. Christina's refusal did not protect her from the DUI charge. It added charges and eliminated the only piece of evidence that might have worked in her favor.
Or driving. Driving here.
Please, please, we don't have anybody else. Like, who's gonna, like, Please.
Well, she was going to be in there for 8 hours. There was no point.
I understand that, but please. Please. She thinks I'm going to get her at 10:30. Please. Beg you, please.
It's not 10:30.
Please. She was going to get her at 10:30. Please. Come on, guys. I'm not like impaired. I just passed a whole test.
It's not a test, it's exercises. There's no
I
pass or fail.
understand, but I
Do you
didn't.
mind facing the car?
Come on, please.
And move
guys.
your feet apart?
Please.
Do you mind moving your feet apart? I don't want to have to do it for you. Thank
I have
you.
2 kids. Please, I'm not doing anything.
Is there somebody at home with with your kids?
Please, yes, they're dead.
Okay. As
Please.
long as there's an adult there.
So how do we get out?
You're gonna have to wait 8 hours. You have to sober up. You can bond out in 8 hours.
I really am.
No.
Okay.
You can bond out in 8 hours. Do you have anything in your bra?
No, I have nothing.
Okay.
You guys are gonna like arrest both of us?
Yeah. I'm now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining the alcohol content. Will you take the test?
No.
Content. Will you take the test?
No.
Okay. If you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege, will be suspended for a period of 1 year for your first refusal. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, you will be committing a misdemeanor in the 2nd degree. If this is your first refusal, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has previously been suspended, or if you have been previously fined under section 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 18 months. Additionally, you will be committing a misdemeanor in the 1st degree. In addition, any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusal to submit to the test I requested of you is admissible as evidence in any criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse to submit?
I don't even know what's best.
Do you still refuse to submit? I need to know. Yes, you refuse to submit? Okay. Do you still refuse to submit to the test?
You're saying you're reading paper.
I have to.
I know. I get it. My husband's a police officer. It's like a
I thought it was your ex-boyfriend.
No, ex-husband. Sorry, just got divorced.
Okay, so
a few months ago.
Okay, so
I need you to understand that I'm a human being. So.
Okay, I hear you.
Okay, so I know you're reading a paper.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
do you want me to explain what the paper says?
It's really hard for me to understand what you're reading when you're just spitting it out to me.
So what part of that didn't you understand? Do you want me to give you an explanation of it or reread it?
So for me, it's like find me a lawyer if I have to.
Okay, so this doesn't require a lawyer.
It does.
This doesn't.
It kind of does.
What, pause. Can I talk?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. I'm going to talk without interruption, right? Okay. So this doesn't require a lawyer. This part doesn't require a lawyer because it's not in questioning. That's when you have a right to a lawyer, is when there's questioning. This doesn't have questioning. When there's questioning.
Right.
Okay. This isn't questioning. So when you sign your driver's license, you are agreeing to submit to a test of your breath, urine, or blood if requested by law enforcement during a custodial arrest.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
And that's what that's saying when you sign your driver's license. To drive in the state of Florida is a privilege.
Yes.
Not a right.
Not a right.
Okay. When you take that privilege, when you sign your driver's license, you are saying that when a law enforcement officer requests it, you'll provide it.
Correct.
You choosing not to, if you choose to say no, that means your driver's license is going to be suspended for a year, which means you're not allowed to drive.
Okay.
Okay? Additionally, you're going to get charged with a 2nd degree misdemeanor for refusing to submit to a test because it's a crime. You submit to the test. You provide me breath samples. That's the alternative. You only have 2 options. You either provide me breath samples, I can't physically force you, but if you choose not to, I just charge you additionally. So the DUI...
Because I need to kind of speak to someone that would help me.
Not possible. This does not require a lawyer. It's not any questioning. So...
I understand, so I guess I can't.
So if you refuse, just understand...
Because I have no one else other than you to help me.
Okay, so that you're a grown adult, you're a grown woman. No, I don't understand because you're a grown woman. So
you should understand because I'm grown and it's me against you, and I don't know you.
I don't know
at
you.
all. So it's like, I
Well-
trust you and you don't trust me either.
It's not about a trust thing. This is, I'm having you to read you something. It's recording on body camera. This is recording on body
I
camera.
understand that.
And
I
this
know
is-
what body cam is, trust me.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This
I'm married 20 something years, so I trust me, I know a body cam.
cool, great, me too. So,
So it could.
so just understand, we are charging you additionally with a second degree misdemeanor for refusing to provide, because that's the law. When you refuse to submit, the law is we charge you. So it'll be an additional bond.
It sucks that you can't even have.
No, we don't do favors for DUIs,
No, I'm not
no.
asking a favor. It's not I'm not asking a DUI.
Okay.
I'm asking for a favor for anything.
I don't understand what you're asking then. You keep saying you can't do something for somebody. So you're still refusing to take the test I requested of you? Okay. Nope. We're going to leave it as a refusal. We're going to leave it as a refusal. You don't need help. You're a grown adult. You love talking over people, don't you? You're good at it. I'll give it to you. Well, I've tried to answer your questions,
have
but
a lot of respect.
we did it again. Oh, round 4.
Absolutely. Let me know when I'm able to speak.
I have nothing else to say. You've refused. My job is done.
The primary officer receives a B+. His probable cause documentation was solid, his equal protection posture was correct, his implied consent advisory was complete, and he maintained composure under sustained emotional pressure. One instance of profanity is the only deduction. Jennifer receives a C+. She drove while impaired, declined the field sobriety exercises, and removed her only real-time opportunity to contest the officer's assessment. She did comply with the arrest without physical resistance. Christina receives a D. She was personally told she was too impaired to drive, watched her friend arrested, and then drove anyway. She then refused the breath test, adding a misdemeanor charge and a 1-year license suspension on top of the DUI. Every encounter like this one carries lessons that go well beyond the people directly involved. Here are 5 worth remembering. Lesson 1. What you say at a traffic stop is on the record. Jennifer admitted to drinking before any field evaluation began. That admission, combined with observed impaired driving, gave the officer sufficient probable cause for a lawful arrest. Lesson 2. Field sobriety exercises are a legal decision. If you believe you are sober, performing them is the only real-time opportunity to counter an officer's impairment finding. Refusing forfeits that chance and, in Florida, becomes evidence against you. Lesson 3. Implied consent is not a surprise. Every Florida driver agreed to a chemical test upon a lawful DUI arrest when they signed their license. Refusing does not neutralize the DUI charge. It generates an additional criminal charge. Lesson 4. Professional status carries no legal weight at a DUI stop. School principal, former spouse of an officer, community contributor, none of these are legal defenses. The 14th Amendment requires equal enforcement, and officers are bound by it. Lesson 5. If an officer tells you that you are too impaired to drive, do not drive. Wanting to help a friend does not reduce your blood alcohol level and does not reduce your legal exposure. It produces a second arrest. This encounter is a direct example of DUI enforcement working as designed. 2 people drove impaired. The law applied. The consequences followed from the choices each person made, not from anything the officer imposed. The law here is not complicated. It is consistent. The same rules apply to everyone, and the body cam record in this case documents exactly how that consistency looks in practice. If this analysis was useful, subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns of real enforcement encounters and the legal standards that govern them. Drop a comment below with a case or a legal question you want us to cover. We read everyone.